Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two remote access platform to help you decide which of these platform will be a best option for you. So to get started with a quick analysis about the GetScreen and a RealVNC Connect. GetScreen in 2025 is a simple, fast, browse-based remote desktop tools ideal for freelancers and support teams who need quick no in-store access. Its extremely lightweight section can start in seconds via a shared link, and it doesn't require users to install anything. While it's not packed with enterprise-grade features, its ease of use and affordability make it perfect for quick remote troubleshoot and a small team. On the other hand, RealVNC Connect, however, is more robust and suited for large businesses. It offers a strong security with end-to-end encryption, advanced device management, and support for multiple operating systems. It's a bit more technical to set up than a GetScreen, but provides a more scalable solution for companies that need a long-time remote access across many machines. So, in conclusion, GetScreen is great for fast, simple support with no setup headaches, while RealVNC Connect is the best choice if you need secure, full-featured remote access for businesses used across a large number of devices. And that's it.